Welcome back. We're continuing the news. In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, the story of a charity group using education to tackle crime.
A tablet in every child's hand and a computer in every classroom. Winston Wellington, the visionary driving the initiative, found his inspiration while globetrotting, witnessing the profound impact of education in different countries.
I went to places like Africa, where I saw children under the streetlight reading a newspaper. And they asked me next time I come bring magazines. So at first, when I first went to Africa, I said bring candies for the children. Then I changed that for books quite fast. And then I've been giving books, away.
For over 20 years, the foundation has been on a mission to fight crime through education, with a transformative 8-week program for children and their parents. After completion, each child is given a tablet to assist with their academics.
Times when I did not feel, times that I couldn't find anybody to talk to or things like that, I could come and I could express my feelings to the adults that are here. They also help us with our works and homeworks, because in times like these we do need the persons to push us nowadays, because nowadays we as teens and as children we tend to take up the wrong companies in schools.
As for the parents, they are given tips on how to assist with their child's personal and academic development.
Things that I did not know, I learned from other parents, like how to raise your child, different ways, different things to do whenever they do something wrong, what you're supposed to do. You don't have to scold them, you can just sit with them, talk with them. For punishment, you take away their gadgets, things that you know they love to do, you take that from them for punishment. Because sometimes hitting a child does not make any difference.
The heart of the endeavor also lies in the 4 pillars of success coined by Mr. Wellington.
Starts with being punctual. Must be on time or you might miss your blessing. Then you're going to be honest, as honesty is the best policy. You must have good attitude, because that is going to make or break you. And finally, discipline. And we train our parents that discipline is not punishment. Discipline is innate, it's in you. You know you have to do an exam, you're going to make yourself study. You know you intend to be a footballer, a business person, you will have to be involved and practicing.
The program is not just a conventional classroom experience, but a vibrant fusion of the performing arts. Occasionally, participants whisk away sponsored trips to Disney World and Japan. According to Mr. Wellington, this approach of blending education and the performing arts has the potential to change the course of countless lives, especially in a world plagued by crime. With A Ray of Hope, I'm Sandy Williams.